Hello beautiful people, I'm Polly from Charming Tabby. In this video I'm going to show you how to assemble my new digital kit that is Valentine Insert Cutouts. I think that they look very beautiful. Look how gorgeous they are. So you are going to receive one PDF file with all these beauties that I made. Also you are going to receive a gift from me because I like to make gifts. And yes, Valentine's Day is coming, so I decided to make such interesting kit. You can use it in your junk journals, in scrapbooking, or whatever you want to use it. So it's going to be a quick video. Please subscribe for my channel and like this video because it's going to help me to develop my channel more and to make more beautiful stuff. So I'm going to put the link below in my description box if you want to visit my Etsy shop and if you want to buy those beauties. So let's get started. It's going to be very easy. In this PDF you're going to receive this page. I mean those 12 pages, because there are 12 pages, but I decided to make them double-sided. So you're going to receive those beautiful 12 pages. Also you are going to receive those beautiful cutouts that you should cut out. They're very easy and everything is very easy to assemble. Let me just show you how to assemble them. And I'm going to put this one here, like that. Okay, let me just take one of the blank papers that I prepared. And it's going to be here, like this. Looks very beautiful. Okay. So this is the way to assemble the cutouts. Just align them and you are going to receive something very, very, very beautiful. I'm going to continue. Okay. It is very easy to make. For the cutouts I used normal paper, not cardstock, because usually I like to use cardstock, but this time I decided to use this kind of paper. It's very fast to make. And if you're in a hurry and you don't know what kind of gifts to make, I think that this one is the perfect gift for the one that you love. Also it can be a family gift. Almost on the end. Very beautiful. I didn't align it very well. Let me just align it better this time. Okay. Yes, this is better. And the last page. I wanted to make very vivid colors as much as I can. Okay, and I'm ready. Everything looks very beautiful. Let me just squeeze them a little bit, and that's it, guys. Let me just show you how gorgeous it is. And it's very easy to make. So that's it from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like it, and see you in my next one. Bye bye, have a nice day, and please subscribe for my channel. Also like this video. Bye bye.